All right, shall we do our animal sounds, Jude?
Mom, I'll tell you.
Ready? Charlie, I got it. Okay, Charlie, I got it. Back away, please. Jude, what does a doggy say? What does an owl say? What does a kitty cat say? What does a monkey say? What does a horse say? What does a cow say? What does a duck say? What does a bird say? What does a sheep say? A sheep. What does a camel say? What does a pig say? A pig. Ink, 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 ink. What does what's something we haven't said?
Mimi draw. Mom, I know.
What did Mimi draw?
Mom, I know.
What haven't we said?
Um.
Jude, you're doing great with all your animals. What does a goat?
Donkey.
What does a donkey say? Good. What does a fish say?
No.
What does a mouse say? Squeak, squeak. What's your name, little boy? What's your name? Jude Christian Hardy? Jude Christian Hardy.
I'm done.
All done.